sir. This is Jarvis A.I, your personal desktop assistant developed by Pratham to be a new service. How can I help you? Listening.
Uh, what is your name, AI?
Recognizing. I am Jarvis, your personal desktop assistant. Listening.
Where do you live, Jarvis?
Recognizing. Sir, I am an artificial intelligence made by Pratham and live in your desktop's memory. Listening.
Jarvis, according to Wikipedia, who is Elon Musk?
Recognizing. Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, X, commonly referred to by its former name Twitter, is a social media website based in the United States. With over 500 million users, it is one of the world's largest social networks and the fifth most visited website in the world. Users can share text messages, images, and videos as posts, commonly still known as tweets. Listening.
Jarvis, open YouTube.
Recognizing. Opening YouTube, sir. Listening.
Jarvis, quit.
Recognizing. Goodbye, sir. I hope I help you. And I hope your day will go good. Your well wisher, Jarvis.